Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日は衣がサクサクのコロッケパンを作ります。
Let's cut the ingredients for korokke pan. Peel the potatoes. Remove the sprouts. Cut each potato into 2 or 3 pieces. Slice into the onion with the root end attached. Make cuts across the onion parallel to the cutting surface. Chop across the other 2 cuts and mince well. Remove the firm part of the cabbage. Stack the cabbage leaves and chop them into very fine strips. Place the potatoes in a pot of water. Add the measured salt. This should be about 1% of water amount. Place a lid on and turn on the burner. When it boils, reduce the heat and cook for about 15 minutes. Pierce the potatoes to check if they are cooked all the way. Cover and discard the boiling water. Replace the pot over the burner. Swish the potatoes in the pot and let the excess water vaporize. Turn off the burner and mash the potatoes while they are still hot. Cover with a kitchen towel and replace the lid. Let's fry the meat. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Fry the ground beef and pork mixture. Break the meat into small pieces and cook thoroughly until aromatic. Add salt, pepper, nutmeg, and raw sugar to the meat. Stir until mixed well. Add the chopped onion and fry until clear. Turn off the burner. Add the meat mixture to the mashed potato. Stir to combine. Taste the korokke filling first and add salt and pepper to your own liking. Put the filling in a baking tray. Flatten the filling, remove the air inside, and let it cool down. Divide the filling into 8 pieces and shape them into round forms. Let's make batter for korokke. Crack the egg into a bowl. Beat the egg thoroughly with chopsticks. Measure the egg and add water. Put cake flour through a wire sieve. Stir the mixture thoroughly and get rid of any lumps. Cover your hand with a plastic bag and dip the korokke into the batter. Apply raw breadcrumbs to the filling. Gently rotate the korokke in your hand and evenly coat them with breadcrumbs. You can freeze and leave korokke at this point and deep fry them when you need. Let's deep fry the korokke. Drop a piece of breadcrumb into frying oil to check if the temperature is right. It should be at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove excess breadcrumbs and gently place the korokke in the oil. When they are slightly colored, gently move the korokke to cook evenly. Flip them over. When the surface becomes golden brown, remove and place the korokke on a baking rack. Let's make korokke pan. Make cuts in each bread roll with a knife. Cut the korokke in half. Open the cuts of the bread. Put the cabbage strips in the cuts. Add your favorite sauce on the cabbage. Place the korokke on top. Finally, garnish with parsley leaves. You can also toast the bread before you add toppings. Freshly made korokke goes great with cabbage and toasted bread.
サクサクに揚がりました。美味しいですよ。作ってください。
If you can't find raw breadcrumbs for making korokke, moist dried breadcrumbs with water. Good luck in the kitchen.
さっき迷ったからいいね。もう一回取り直ししても。